The Bathurst 6 Hour, one of Australia's biggest endurance races, and this year we're making up the step to the main grid. A record 72 car grid, and one of those drivers being Mr. Dusty. I've been waiting a long time to do this, and finally, we're here. Well, it's the first clip of the day. Welcome to the track walk. Never thought I'd be doing this as a professional Bathurst 6 Hour driver. Kidding.
Bam! And the dirt is gone.
Alright guys, quick update on the track walk. Nothing's changed. The track is in the same place.
Basically, as soon as you got that car committed, fucking mash that throttle.
Bam!
Well, here we are. What are you up to?
I'm sorting out our drink system.
Maisie on the tools.
Good morning, my dear.
Good morning. She is doing some magic as well.
So it's about 7:10 in the morning.
I've had half a coffee, so I'm feeling great.
Sheds are pretty cool. We're lined up with a bunch of other RX-8s. Hayden Jackson's going out for the first time, doing 15-minute session, and I'm jumping in, get my session done, and then Grant's going to jump in. So it's a bit more like pit stop practice as such.
How good are the cool suits? This is Race Tube Innovations, who, as you can see, we're probably wearing right now. Practice 1. Don't bin the car. Get out there and get some laps. But most importantly, learn the track and get used to being in a different car. I've raced here in a Hyundai Excel, and the RX-8 is just a little bit different. Hayden Jackson jumped in for the first stint, followed by myself, put in a comfortable couple laps, and then we got Grant in. This is also a great time to get our pit stop practice in, and the start of our Bathurst 6 Hour was looking pretty comfortable.
Pretty good. Good to reference Grant's lap. So Grant, you were fastest in that session. You happy?
Yeah, happy. There's still definitely some time there. Turn 2 probably I need to work on. But yeah, across the top the car's good. A lot of looking out the mirror is the big thing that takes a bit of concentration away.
Stuck here looking at me in the mirror. That's alright, I got Brad Vaughan to show me all those tricks, so happy days there.
Oh my god, these kids have made a sign on their caravan that says go 82 mpm. That is so cute.
I wish I had fans like that. Practice 2 done. Fucking hell, the traffic is a nightmare around here. Our pit stops suck still, so we're going to work on our pit stops. Brad's helping us out. Say hi, Brad.
Hello.
Brad Vaughan, how are you?
Good, thank you.
You're going to hire the best of the best, so I've hired the best of the best. Like, logistically, yeah, there's a lot to figure out, but that's why we hire people that have done this before, so we can actually get better. Like, if you lose like 30 seconds in a pit stop, that's dramatic.
That's a lot of time, yeah.
And that's what we're doing right now. So we thought about double stinting. It would be smart to help out with that.
Yep, I hope you're fit. And it's been good, Matt. You've been listening so far, so we're tracking along well.
Yeah. I'm not paying him enough. You guys, this guy deserves good money for what he does. So we'll see you guys tomorrow, and here's a kiss for the camera. There you go. I'm not doing any running this Saturday because we just had practice 3, had 2 red flags, so barely any laps. We've got qualifying now, so Hayden's going to qualify. 2 of my mates just crashed out in XL, so I got to go see them. What happened?
Robin's racing, mate.
Yeah, I've done it before, mate.
Yeah, happens.
No, not me.
Just quickly, are you okay?
I'm fine. Car is semi-fine. Hopefully get it out and just make some spots up from the back if we can do it in a couple hours. Sweet.
I know you just keep working. Are you okay?
I'm alright.
Yeah. This is P2. He was P2 and he got, well, it just whatever happened.
Yeah, chassis is a bit cooked, so I mean to weld it up, but we'll see.
See this man here? Who's that?
I'm doing a little YouTube
That's
vlog.
him, he's driving the car.
Oh dear. Yeah. I never thought my face would be so popular, guys. Check out these posters. Show us the poster, guys. Wow. My face on a poster, very weird. How good's that?
Oh, you're attacking! I miss you too!
Do you know Maisie?
Yes!
Oh, good.
This is William. He's the one. Hello, Robin. He's the one who stuck the sticker on my car upside down last year, and I ran it for the whole season, didn't I?
Whoopsies. How good's that?
We're going to have a qualifying, we're going to absolutely send it, and we're going to have some fun.
Our team has gone missing.
And now we're stressing.
Now we're stressing.
We're just spectating. We're going to enjoy this session for what it is. But in the other side of the paddock, there's a D-Class car that's not making it out, which is our friends from South Australia.
I don't know who was driving, but they just went a bit wide up Griffin's Bend and probably went in the gravel, the rubbish a bit, and doesn't steer when you do that.
It looks like the K-frame's actually ripped apart, but Rob's on the tools getting that fixed. You don't want to see your mates out of the race, so full-on subframe going back in. It's a massive job, but they're not going to make qualifying, unfortunately. So this should make it for tomorrow's race if they get the parts, but finding Honda Integra parts is not ideal.
We're going to send it to a crash shop tonight to get kind of fixed up, so we should be good. Definitely bummed out to not be in the qualifying session. I was really looking forward to driving that, but main thing is we get the thing fixed up, ready to go for the race, and see what happens.
Oh, Jado, what's going on here? You're charging something.
I'm just giving him some coaching.
This is actually smart. And what's the purpose of this?
Put some more watts out to power the pit stops.
You touch it. Put it up here where you can see.
I'm just staring off into space, just totally being oblivious to the world.
Team manager's got it sorted, my friend.
Oh, under control, always.
1, 2, 3, 4, hit.
So Hayden's gone up to Trans Am, P5 in qualifying, and it was just the 239s? We were in the 239.
Yeah, work out the stints, play with the traffic, get prepared, driver changes.
11:15 today, it all happens. Hayden's doing the first stint. I might be doing the second. Grant will be doing the third stint to finish all of us off. So the Honda Integra that was damaged has come back as well. May spent all night fixing the car, but she's back to new. And remember, expect a lot of safety cars. It's 72 cars. I don't think we're going to get through with crazy clean laps for long periods of time.
One of the most important jobs for me is copy runs these days.
You're going to have to feed it to me. I can't touch it.
You got it.
And just like that, we're ready to roll out for the Bathurst 6 Hour. Starting P5 in class, Hayden Jackson will do the first stint, followed by myself and Grant to finish the race.
I've never been this nervous, not even for like when I'm racing. I don't get this nervous.
Alright. You're alright, we'll work our way through the field.
It's fine, I'm fine.
Yeah.
Said there'd be 6 safety cars because it's a 6 hour. There's been 1 safety car after 5 laps. Unfortunately, early into the race, on a safety car restart, Hayden Jackson got brake checked into another car. And this is the result of it. So we've got a bit of cosmetic damage on the front of the car. I don't know what happened. Fingers crossed it's not damaged the oil cooler, but we've seen a bit of TV coverage and it looks okay. So yeah, good start. Under a second safety car, we came in for a pit stop to check the damage. Luckily, it wasn't as bad as we thought. The oil cooler was fine.
I think we're alright for now. A bit of damage, but nothing to be concerned about.
That's right. Yeah, we'll push on, that's all good.
However, things did not get better. Hayden was doing a great stint. Going into the chase, he had a close call. Going for an overtake, lost control of the car on the inside and hit the 150 metre brake marker board. Now, this could have just been a simple spin, but it was with consequence. The board got stuck in the inner guard liner and ripped out the ABS module. That meant we were going to the pits and the team had to fix the issue, which cost us 5 laps. Maisie and Tom Donohue smashed it out. Hayden got back out there and put in an impressive stint to finish off, being in the car for 2.5 hours. And then it was my turn. A clean and smooth stint is all I needed, and I did exactly that. And you know what I was thinking inside the car? As a 16-year-old kid, all I'd ever want to do is this event.
This is Dusty here today, welcome to Marlow.
And now, I was here. The main stage of the Bathurst 6 Hour, cutting laps. And I was doing it with people that I consider my family. This is something I dreamed of. And all I wanted to do was keep on driving Bathurst. An experience I really will not forget. And with an hour and a half to go, it was time for our teammate Grant Bray to jump in and finish the race. What do you think? I think if it rains, I'll be entertained. I'm a wet master. They can put me back in the car. Stint went that quick. I'm sorry about this team. They're a bunch of assholes. Yeah, Hayden put in a mega effort for almost 3 hours in the car almost. If we finish, I'm going to be on cloud 9. Whatever you call
As
it.
we set our goal this weekend, if we finish, we race Bathurst. We did it.
Finish. Yeah, almost. What you just heard was the rear right wheel saying goodbye to our car. Yep, the stud snapped, bearing failure, something went wrong. 5 laps to go, and that was the end of our Bathurst 6-hour campaign. 10 minutes out from the finish, and we're going to DNF this one, so that's a weird mechanical failure, but we'll just see what's going on.
It's alright. Hey, we were nearly there.
It's motor racer, mate. You know it, Matt. You know it.
We're going to come back next year, and
you're going to go bigger and better. you're going bigger and better. Eh? You drove the fucking wheels on.
That's racing. It's very unpredictable. I'm only just still learning that. But you know what? We gave it a shot.
Passing another car for position on the inside, and the wheel fell off and shot past me. I managed to get it back into pit lane, but as I went through the wiggles, totally lost drive and was stuck in pit lane. So really disappointing to get that far and not get the result that we deserved. But yeah, great experience for both me and Matt. It's been a dream come true, something that we've been looking forward to all of our lives. So
yeah,
we'll take it, and hopefully we'll get to do another one.
Oh, mate.
Proud of Grant, I'm proud of Hayden. In our hearts, we finished. That is racing. That's endurance racing. And Rick Shaw put in a stellar...
Rick Shaw, mate, amazing.
Look at you. No, Brian, that's how hard I drove the car, you know. I drove the heels off the boots.
That's a...
Wow.
They were hand
Oh,
cooks.
Brian's here as well.
Hard on your equipment, mate.
I was fucking working hard today. I was refueling 3 cars and blew the heels off my shoes.
I don't want them back, by the way, Brian. They're yours now.
The poor car.
Yeah.
It's going to take a lot of work to fix it. And to Tom Shaw.
You're actually here now.
Like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.
5-6 hours in a row that we've all finished.
Yeah.
Hey, not
and
bad.
Matty will get his next year.
Next year. Thanks,
year.
guys.
Coming back better than ever. Good
Thanks
job,
for
mate.
joining, everyone. Thanks for the opportunity. Let's do it.